Hey fashion lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stylogy. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. According to your time and location, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, my video topic is about 10 look short hottest outfit. Before telling you this, so guys, if you want to buy these outfits, then I will tell you the best website from where you can buy these outfit online. Before telling you the website, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed my channel, then do not forget to press the bell icon for more design, for more notifications. So dear friend, so you can buy these amazon.com, alibaba.com and aliexpress.com. So guys, if you loving these, please do like my videos and also share my videos with your friends, with your relatives and social media. Also, there is ton of exciting content waiting for you on my YouTube channel. So because to check it out, do not forget to like my video, do not forget to share my videos and give your feedback in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design, tell me in the comment section. So dear lovely viewers, if you today we are talking about one of the most versatile and stylish wardrobe staple, the outfit. It's a casual day out, a night, or even a choosy winter summer short look elevate your style are perfectly blend of comfort. They hug your body like a second, all giving a polished and eggy look that regular just cannot achieve. The beauty of lies in the versatility. You can dresses them or down, and they work in almost every season. For casual everyday look, pair them with an oversized sweater or low t-shirts, sneakers, and it's simple, comfy and stylish. If you are heading out for a night with friend or a dinner date, can easily to transformed into a glamorous outfit. Add a chic blouse, statement heels, sandals and kambal accessories, so you are ready to turn heat. For more aggy and confident vibes, pair them with a uncle boots, jackets and barred lip color look never go out style. Also perfectly in the summer month. Throw a short dress, choosy knee, and you got yourself that spring of fashionable. The best part about is the key out all body type, as they offer sleek seeming effect while keeping you comfortable throughout the day. When buying, always focus on the fit and material. Choose high quality folks stretches and breathless well so can feel confident and comfortable. A good pair of is an investment that will last you for a year and never go out for style them you own unique way. Do not forget to let me know in the comment. All content is the video only for stylish purpose. We all have right to be families with internationally recommended models. Actors is the perfect place for the carrying on the activities because all of these information needed content. This film show to Google search, Google Images, Instagram, Pinterest and social media account, Wikipedia and Google and other social media platform used as data source. So guys, discover the timeless appeal of a crafted with care and design for impact. These are versatile addition to any wardrobe for find your perfect today. So guys, today topic is one that will prepare you for a style effortless and elevate summer season. If you have ever reached the middle of summer and thought I will had a piece in my wardrobe, this video is here to make sure that does not happen again. So where you are rebuilding your summer closet and just looking to upgrade a few key pieces, this is your guide to make smart stylish decision because the season officially being summer. One tank top, a good quality tank top, is more than just a basic summer essential that can be dressed up or down depending on how you style if it. But not all tops, all all dresses are created equal. Investment in structure, high quality cotton or rib that provide both comfort and stylish. Choose natural like while vibrant black being even soft petals for versatility. A flattering tank top hug body without cleaning and giving you a simple clean canvas. So goodbye dear.